I'll use my front view for this one. Here's my antenna. I'll create a CV curve. Press enter when done. I'll push that back somewhere around there. You probably would see the antenna. Now, curves by themselves do not render. Therefore, we need to add geometry. Let's add a NURBS circle primitive. With my circle selected, shift select the curve you just created and go into Surfaces, Extrude. Go to the inputs, Fix to Path. Let's set that to on. And now we just need to change the direction. To do that, go into Surfaces, Reverse Direction. Selecting the NURBS circle, you can still manipulate the thickness of your antenna. Go ahead and scale that NURBS circle down. We'll make that pretty thin, or you can also play with the radius and change the size there. Go ahead and zoom in, and we'll add now a little bit of a detail so that this piece looks better. Create a NURBS torus. Grab the move tool and bring it closer to the antenna. If you press and hold down the letter C, you would notice that it changes the middle part of my cursor. When moving it around and leaving the letter C pressed, it will snap into the actual curve. Carefully move the object all the way down and then scale it so that it fits the base of the antenna. Rotate it a little bit until it fits. Take the moment to make all the proper adjustments. For the top of the antenna, let's bring a NURBS circle. Just like we did before, press in the center. Then press the letter C and have it snap in place. Once snapped into the curve, scale it down, squish in a little, and adjust as needed. Once done, select the three objects we just created, the sphere, the torus, and the antenna. Freeze transformation. Then group them together and rename the entire group antenna.